In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit some important information in Google My Business. So without much ado, let's get started. Hi, this is Sonit from Techie Trickle. Now on Google, you have to type Google My Business and press enter. Now that will ensure that the first page that comes up in Google search is the Google My Business. Click on My Business and you have to then sign up. So make sure that when you are signing up, you are signing with an account that is linked to your Google My Business. Now that is very important here. Now once you do that, on the left top side you can see that is Google My Business hyperlink is there. So if you click that, it takes you to the dashboard. Now that is the dashboard that I was talking about. Now here you will find different informations that are lined up on the left panel there. Now the most important out of those, I would say, is the info, where you can go ahead and change lots of different other informations. So if I click that, you would see your business name, the category of your business, the location, which is the map, and then you have store codes, descriptions, and many more. Now, what if you want to change some of those information? So you have that pencil icon. So if you click that and you change it and you click apply. Now, just for you to know, Google actually takes its own time to actually review those changes that you are putting it here. Now for the category, you can either modify that or you can also go ahead and add another category. What if your location is changing for your business? So then you can definitely go ahead and change your location from map. And speaking about that, it could be possible that your store timings are also changing. Now definitely that is not a correct information. As you can see here, it cannot be open 24 hours, I guess. So you click on the pencil icon there and you will find all the days there. So for each of the days, you can give your store start time and a store end time. So you can go ahead and give any timing that you would want to, and you can give different times for different days. Okay, now once you fill up for your business days for Saturday and Sunday, what you can do is you can just toggle it off. It will actually ensure that your store is closed. But again, you have to take that decision based on your business. So if it is open on Saturday, definitely you wouldn't make it as closed. So once you click apply, it will reflect on the dashboard. But again, it will be under review. So your store timings are taken care of. Now, there are a couple of other information you can go ahead and do. What if you have multiple stores? So definitely in those cases, you have to give a store ID or a store code, and you can have your information of your contact details changed from here based on your country code. And once you are done with it, if I scroll down, you would come to a section that is very important, that is this. Now that is your business description details. So if you look closely, this is the description of my business. So if I go to Google and I show you for my business, that is Creaties, and I click enter, on the right hand side here on the snippet, if you go below, if you scroll down below, you would find that exact section that shows up here. So this is what a viewer who lands up on your Google My Business gets the information about your business. And you can see this is exactly the same, and you can again go ahead and change it if you would like. So once you have done all these things in order, the next comes your customer reviews. So your customers are definitely reviewing your business. They're giving those updates there, and you have to reply back to them. Or even if you reply back and you think that you want to edit something, you can go ahead and edit from this section. And there is a separate section where those customers for whom you have not yet replied, you can go ahead and reply from here. So you have taken care of the reviews. The next that comes into picture is the products. So if you want to add products to your dashboard, I mean on Google dashboard where it shows up, you can go ahead and add the products here and it would show up on Google as well. So you can give a photo, a name, a category and description. There's another interesting thing here. If you would go down a little bit, there is an option of adding a button where you can actually give a payment gateway link there, which actually goes to that particular gateway from where you can actually have your customer pay for your products. Now, once you have taken care of products, you need to ensure that yes, your business is verified. So if you go to that section, businesses, it will show whether Google has verified your business or not. Like in my case, you can see it is verified. And you can also add businesses from the right hand side. So once you have taken care of all these, you're all set to have your Google My Business there. So comment below and type yes if I did cover all the modifications which you are looking for in Google My Business. And in case I missed any, please let me know in the comments below and I'll try to make a video in future covering those sections as well. Now, in case you liked my video, I would appreciate if you can give me a thumbs up because YouTube algorithm actually loves those engagements, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification because whenever I post this kind of videos, you would be the first one to be notified with. So till the next time, bye bye.